Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about the difference between bailment contract and pledge. So the first difference is meaning. What is bailment? So when the goods are temporarily handed over from one person to another person for a specific purpose, it is known as bailment. Suppose Mr. X delivered a piece of clothes to Mr. Y, who is a tailor, to stitch into suit. It is a contract of bailment. On other hand, what is pledge? So when the goods are being delivered to act as a security against the debt owned by one person to another person, it is known as the pledge contract. Suppose Mr. John asked to borrow rupees 1 lakh from Mary. Now Mary decides first that the John will have to pledge his property paper as a pledge that he will repay the debt by a specific time. This is an example of pledge contract. Another difference is defined in. So the bailment is defined under the section 148 of Indian Contract Act 1872. On other hand, pledge is defined under the section 172 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Next is parties. In bailment there are two parties. First is the person who delivers the goods is known as the bailer, while the person to whom the goods are being delivered is known as bailee. For example, in the previous example, Mr. X, who delivered his clothes, is bailer, and Mr. Y, that is the tailor, is known as bailee because he will receive the clothes. Now in pledge, again there are two parties. That is, the person who delivers the goods is known as pawner, while the person to whom the goods are being delivered is known as pawnee. For example, in previous example, Mr. John will be pawner and Mary will be pawnee because she will receive property paper. Another difference is consideration. So first of all, you need to understand the meaning of consideration. Consideration means something that has value in the eyes of law. In other words, we can say it is nothing but a price that promise agreed to pay to the promisor. So in bailment, consideration may or may not be present, but in pledge, consideration is always present because you are going to pledge your goods. Next difference is right to sell the goods. So in bailment, the party to whom goods are being delivered has no right to sell the goods. For example, the tailor has no right to sell the clothes of Mr. X. But in pledge, the party to whom goods are being delivered as a security has to right to sell if the party who delivers the goods fail to pay the debt. For example, if John will fail to pay debt of rupees 1 lakh, Mary has right to sell the property paper to the third party. Next difference is use of goods. So in bailment, the party to whom goods are being delivered can use the goods only for a specific purpose. For example, the tailor has not supposed to wear your suit to their sister's birthday party. After completion of the stitching, he is supposed to deliver that clothes to Mr. X. In pledge, the party to whom goods are being delivered has no right to use the good. Suppose person A take a loan from bank against his house, so the banks has no right to use that house until and unless the person A get defaulted. And the last difference is purpose. So the purpose of bailment contract is safekeeping or repairs of goods or etc. And the purpose of pledge contract is to take goods as security against the payment of debt. So this is all about the difference between the bailment contract and pledge contract. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, always learn with me.